So, at long last, something for everyone. You don't have to have no education. Even if you never did go to school, you can still have an income. Guys, this is amazing. You don't sell, you don't buy. You are really going to be so surprised when you see how easy this is. Even your children can do this. And don't forget about Granny and Grandpa that is 95. They can also do this. You really don't need no education whatsoever. Everything is provided. And you know what? All you need to do is go and click on the link in my bio and go and see how you can at long last, is there something that can help you financially. Just go and have a look. It costs nothing. Just look. Click on the bio. Enjoy this.